Hello everyone, welcome to Nikolay, our cooking show. Today we're going to show you our Christmas homemade cookies.
So you'll be able to prepare them easy peasy lemon squeezy.
And now we'll show you the ingredients and the exact quantities you'll need to make them.
You need 500 grams of flour, and then you need 250 grams of butter, and 150 grams of sugar.
Then we need one egg, a pinch of baking powder, this, and a pinch of cinnamon. Alright, thank you.
Method. Place the flour on the table. Add the butter cut into small cubes. Mix with your hands, rubbing them together as is washing them to form crumbs. Add the powdered sugar . And a pinch of baking powder. Then add a pinch of cinnamon and mix well.
Now make a volcano, add the egg and a splash of water in the center. Knead until you obtain a compact dot that doesn't stick to your hands and is easy to work with. Roll out the dough with a rolling pin. Make the shapes you like. Add the chocolate, dried fruit or candied fruit and place them on a baking tray lined with baking paper.
Bake them for 12 minutes at 118 degrees. Once cooled, they are ready to eat.
And that's all for today. We hope you enjoyed our Christmas cookie recipe and making them with your family and friends. Thanks for watching, Nikolay, and see you next time. Bye!